Hey everyone, and welcome back to DU Studio. Today, we're stepping outside to explore the serene beauty and functional elegance of modern minimalist outdoor spaces and the seamless integration of an outdoor kitchen. If you believe that less is more, and you're looking to create an extension of your home that's both stylish and practical, you're in the right place. Modern minimalism in outdoor design is all about creating a calm and uncluttered environment. Think clean lines, natural materials, and a focus on functionality over excessive ornamentation. We're talking about spaces that invite relaxation and connection with nature without the visual noise. You can elevate minimalist outdoor spaces with a simple reflecting pool, a subtle water blade, or a minimalist fountain. These water bodies add tranquility, visual interest, and a touch of nature without clutter. It's about quiet impact and creating a serene focal point. Even a small and simple swimming pool can be a game changer for your outdoor space, beautifully extending your home's aesthetic and adding significant functionality. In modern outdoor living, especially where space might be a premium, a thoughtfully designed small pool can become a stunning focal point and a practical amenity. Think of it as an extension of your living space, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. The key here is seamless integration. Notice how this pool is often designed with clean lines that echo the architecture of the house. The materials used for the pool surround, perhaps natural stone, sleek concrete, or even timber decking, are chosen to complement the home's exterior, creating a cohesive flow. The beauty of a smaller pool lies in its efficiency. It doesn't dominate the entire yard, leaving ample space for other outdoor activities like lounging, dining, or gardening. It's about striking the right balance. A well-designed walkway isn't just a path. It's an invitation, a journey through your outdoor sanctuary. And when you incorporate the clean sophistication of white stones, the luxurious touch of marble, and the vibrant life of greenery, you create a visual symphony that's both striking and serene. Thoughtful combination of warmth of wood, the elegance of marble, the ruggedness of natural rocks, and the vibrancy of manicured greenery. You can create a modern minimalist backyard that is both visually stunning and a true extension of your sophisticated home. It's about finding the perfect balance between natural beauty and refined design. In a minimalist design, the outdoor kitchen isn't just an afterthought. It's seamlessly integrated into the overall aesthetic. The goal is to create a functional cooking and prep area that doesn't feel cluttered or visually overwhelming. Let's take a closer look at some key design elements. Countertops are often made from durable and easy-to-clean materials like concrete, stainless steel, or even certain types of natural stone with a honed finish. The lines are straight and unnecessary details are eliminated. Cabinetry often features flat panel doors with minimal or no hardware. The color palette typically matches the overall outdoor scheme, creating a cohesive look. Built-in appliances help maintain a clean and streamlined appearance. When designing your own minimalist outdoor space and kitchen, consider these key takeaways. Embrace simplicity. Focus on essential elements and eliminate unnecessary clutter. Prioritize functionality. Every element should serve a purpose. Choose quality materials. Opt for durable and timeless materials that age gracefully. Maintain a cohesive palette. Stick to a limited range of neutral colors and natural tones. Integrate seamlessly. Ensure the outdoor space and kitchen flow harmoniously with your home's architecture and the surrounding environment. Outdoor kitchens make use of open walls that completely vanish, creating an effortless flow for cooking and entertaining. This seamless transition maximizes space and enhances the joy of both indoor and outdoor living. And large glass windows, bringing the beauty of the outdoors in even when the weather isn't cooperating. It's about connection and expanded living. When creating the perfect outdoor lounge space in a modern, minimalist backyard, pay close attention to the impact of our sofa choices and how we can seamlessly blend the indoors and outdoors. In a minimalist setting, every element counts. Our outdoor sofa becomes a statement piece, a comfortable anchor that complements the surrounding garden and enhances the overall aesthetic. Let's talk about color. Whether you opt for calming blues that echo the sky, vibrant reds or oranges that add a pop of energy, or sophisticated neutrals like gray that blend seamlessly with natural tones, the color of your outdoor sofa plays a crucial role. Beyond color, the design and materials of the sofa are key to achieving that modern minimalist feel. Look for clean lines, simple silhouettes, and durable, weather-resistant materials like powder-coated aluminum, teak, or outdoor-friendly fabrics. Consider the scale of your backyard when choosing the size of your sofa. In smaller spaces, a sleek two-seater or a modular sectional can be ideal. In larger areas, a more expansive lounge setting can create a truly inviting space. When it comes to maximizing the connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces, large glass windows are a hallmark of modern design, and they play a vital role in enhancing both the beauty and functionality of your home. These expansive windows act as visual portals, seamlessly blending your interior living areas with the beauty of your manicured backyard and garden. This not only creates a sense of spaciousness, but also floods your home with natural sunlight. In modern minimalism, the goal is to craft outdoor spaces that are not only visually stunning, but also incredibly functional and seamlessly integrated with the home. Open walls and glass are crucial for blurring boundaries, and today, we're adding the natural warmth of wood and the sophisticated touch of marble to this design equation. As we discussed before, open-walled structures, whether a covered patio or an outdoor kitchen, provide sheltered outdoor living while maintaining a strong connection to the surrounding environment. Now, imagine extending this space with a beautifully crafted wooden platform or patio. Guiding us through this outdoor sanctuary are marble slab walkways. Unlike continuous paving, individual marble slabs, often with spaces in between, filled with pebbles or ground cover, create an elegant and deliberate path. The smooth, often subtly veined surface of marble adds a touch of sophistication and luxury. The spacing between the slabs encourages a slower, more mindful journey through the garden, allowing you to appreciate the surrounding greenery. Light reflecting off the marble can also add a subtle visual highlight to the landscape. Modern minimalist design emphasizes clean lines, functionality, and a less is more philosophy. This extends beautifully to the front of the house, where thoughtful simplicity creates a sense of calm and intentionality. Notice the architectural language here. We often see flat or low-pitched roof lines, large expanses of an adorned wall, and strategically placed, generously sized windows. The material palette is typically restrained, focusing on high quality. Honest materials like smooth concrete, warm wood accents, sleek metal, and expansive glass. The heart of modern minimalist outdoor living is the open backyard dining area. These spaces are designed for both elegant simplicity and seamless integration, with the indoors often featuring open walls, expansive glass, and thoughtful roofing choices in metal or wood. The goal is to create an environment where you can effortlessly transition from indoors to out, enjoying meals and gatherings in a setting that feels both connected and open. One of the key elements facilitating this seamless flow is the use of open walls. These can be large sliding doors that completely retract, bifold doors that fold away, or even a complete absence of a solid wall, creating a truly unimpeded connection between the indoor and outdoor dining areas. This open design blurs the lines, making the outdoor dining space feel like a natural continuation of your interior. It enhances the sense of spaciousness and allows for easy movement of people and conversation between the two zones. Complementing the open walls are large glass windows. Even when the open walls are closed, these expansive panes of glass maintain a strong visual connection with the outdoors. They flood the indoor dining area with natural light and offer uninterrupted, deep views of the backyard and the open-air dining setup. This visual transparency ensures that even when you're dining indoors, you feel connected to the beauty of your outdoor space. The natural light enhances the ambiance and creates a brighter, more inviting atmosphere in both areas. The roofing design is meant to shelter these open outdoor dining areas. Two popular choices in modern minimalism are metal and wood. Metal roofing offers a clean, contemporary aesthetic with its sleek lines and often sharp angles. It's durable, low maintenance, and can provide excellent protection from the elements. Often darker tones of metal roofing can create a striking contrast against lighter architectural elements and the surrounding greenery. Wooden roofing, on the other hand, brings a sense of natural warmth and texture to the space. Pergolas with wooden slats offer dappled shade and allow for climbing plants, further integrating the dining area with the garden. Solid wooden roofs provide more substantial shelter while still maintaining a connection to natural materials. The choice between metal and wood often depends on the overall architectural style of the home and the desired aesthetic. Both materials, When executed with clean lines and a minimalist approach, it can beautifully define the outdoor dining space without feeling visually heavy. The essence of an open outdoor kitchen is the seamless blend of cooking and nature. While a fully open structure might not be feasible for everyone, we can achieve a similar vibe by focusing on visual and sensory connections. The key element is large windows directly adjacent to your kitchen. These aren't just for light, they're visual portals to the outdoors. These windows create a strong sense of connection, making the kitchen feel more open and airy. In open kitchen and dining designs, the lighting scheme needs to be both functional for cooking and dining, and atmospheric for creating a welcoming and enjoyable experience. It's about layering light and incorporating different types of fixtures, including the timeless charm of lanterns. The key is to choose fixtures with a clean, minimalist design that complements the overall aesthetic of your open kitchen. Durable, weather-resistant materials are also crucial. Consider dimmable options for your ambient lighting, allowing you to adjust the intensity to suit the mood and the occasion. Hanging lanterns can create a focal point above the dining table or illuminate pathways. Freestanding lanterns can be placed on the ground or on ledges, adding a soft glow and a touch of rustic elegance. Tabletop lanterns, often battery-operated or candlelit, provide intimate lighting for dining and create a cozy atmosphere. What are your favorite elements of modern minimalist outdoor design? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future design explorations here at DU Studio. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.